China's strictness to contain COVID is quite well known, but when you see what these measures are, you will dread. A number of disturbing videos of extremely strict quarantine measures have emerged on social media. Hundreds of people are being forced to live in closed metal containers which contain a bed and a toilet closet. They are required to stay in for as long as 2 weeks just because an individual in their locality has tested positive. Others in whole cities are forced to stay indoors and not allowed to go out even to get food. These draconian measures were revealed primarily through a thread of posts on a Twitter account. These videos can be quite disturbing. All these are among several strict preventive measures taken by the nation to control the spread of COVID-19. This is referred to as the Zero COVID policy, under which people, including pregnant women, children and elderly, are being forced to stay in these containers. These containers are called health stations and were set up in suburban areas to minimize the risk of local spread of the coronavirus from imported COVID-19 cases. Many times, people are not given any proper notice before being sent to a quarantine center. In China, using the mandatory track and trace app, close contacts are usually detected easily. Around 20 million people are confined to their homes in China and cannot leave even to buy food due to strict lockdown measures. Recently, a disturbing case emerged of a pregnant Chinese woman's miscarriage after a strict lockdown postponed her access to medical treatment. People in China can be banned from leaving their buildings or hotel rooms if they are considered high-risk contacts. China has a strict formula called Dynamic Zero for lessening outbreaks. Dynamic Zero ideally means strict lockdowns and instant testing. Public anger and frustration among the Chinese public is also mounting about the continuing lockdown and severe preventive measures. A video on social media showed a Chinese man being beaten by pandemic control officers for trying to venture out to buy food. These disturbing pieces of news come even as China prepares to host the Beijing Olympics next month. A Federal Report.